Do you want to learn Cisco CCNA? Well, here's 7 best Cisco CCNA courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Cisco CCNA 200 to 301, the complete guide to getting certified by Udemy. This course is prepared to provide you with a basic understanding of all the topics and concepts that you need to get your CCNA certificate. Topics covered are lab exercises, host-host communication, iOS operating system, the transport layer, the network layer, IP address classes, subnetting, the data link layer, the physical layer, Cisco functions, life of a packet, troubleshooting methodology, router and switch basics, device management, routing fundamentals, dynamic routing, connectivity, IGP interior, OSPF, VLANs, DHCP, HSRP, SDP, Ether channel, switch security, ACLs, NET, IP6, 1, security threat, device security, network device management, QoS, cloud computing. You will be able to get the Cisco device functions, you will understand the Cisco troubleshooting methodology, you will learn about both threats and device security, you will study all that you need to qualify the Cisco CCNA exam, you will gain the practical skills to start your career. The course is for all of you out there looking for a perfect course to gain knowledge as well as practical skills of Cisco CCNA. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Introduction to Cisco Networking CCNA Prep by Udemy. This course focuses on teaching you all the beginner-level ideas of Cisco networking, and also helps you to get ready for the CCNA exam. Topics covered are fundamentals of network, fundamentals of LAN switching, fundamentals of routing, infrastructure services, infrastructure maintenance. You will get a detailed description of Cisco networking. You will be able to study the troubleshooting network issues. You will learn about Cisco switches and routers. You will learn the maintenance and services of infrastructure. You will be able to think of a career in networking. The course is for anyone looking for a beginner-level knowledge of Cisco networking. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Complete Cisco CCNA 200 to 301 course by Udemy. This course is mainly designed to prepare you for the Cisco CCNA certification exam. Topics covered are network devices, interface, and cables, OSI, and TCP/IP, CLI, Ethernet LAN switching, IP4 addressing, routing fundamentals, subnetting, VLANs, DTP, and VTP, spanning tree protocol, bidirectional, RIP, and EIGRP, OSPF, standard access control lists, intro to network automation, JSON, XML, and YAML, virtualization, and cloud, Puppet, Ansible and Chef. You will gain knowledge of all the major concepts of Cisco CCNA. You will learn IP4 addressing. You will get to study fundamentals of routing. You will be able to learn subnetting. You will think of starting a career in networking. The course is for each person looking for a program to prepare for Cisco CCNA certification exam. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA 200 to 301 by Udemy. This course lays out a complete guide to learn foundations of Cisco. Topics covered are networking fundamentals, Ethernet LAN, designing LANs, IP4, IP6, wireless LANs. You will gain information of basic network security concepts. You will get to know troubleshooting. You will study Ethernet operation. You will learn about LANs. You will learn about IP4 and IP6. The course is for everyone desiring to acquire thorough knowledge of Cisco CCNA. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Cisco CCNA by Udemy. This course is arranged to build your strong foundations of CCNA. It teaches every single thing about Cisco CCNA. Topics covered are network fundamentals, OSI model, TCP/IP, enter the LAN, enter the iOS, enter the switch, port security, VLANs, DTP, VTP, spanning tree, IP addressing, subnetting, routing, add, metric, and encapsulation, management, routing protocol, EIGPR, OSPF, Ether channel, VSLM, VLAN communication, access list, wildcard, DHCP, NTP, and SNMP, NET, tunnels, VPN, frame relay. You will learn the basics of networking Cisco. You will be able to understand TCP/IP. You will study the OSI model. You will be able to use switches and routers. You will get to know about VLAN communication. The course is for masses interested in studying Cisco CCNA and to get certified. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, CCNA 200 to 301 Network Fundamentals course by SkillUp, free course. This course provides you a step-by-step comprehensive guide to learn the fundamentals of Cisco and get ready for Cisco CCNA exam. Topics covered are networking, fundamentals of networking, automation, programmability, IP services, IP connectivity, network access. You will craft your skills of networking. You will learn about routing protocols. You will study unified communications. You will get to know the OSI model. You will be able to learn about SAN networking. The course is for you if you are desiring to learn the fundamentals of Cisco CCNA without paying. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. 7th course Cisco CCNA Primer by YouTube, free course. This course is arranged to teach you all about the Cisco CCNA basic conceptualization. Topics covered are all about Cisco CCNA exam, best way to prepare, building a CCNA home lab, common network devices, TCP/IP protocols and services, VLANs and trunks, spanning tree protocol, IP4 addressing, IP6 addressing, routing concepts and protocols, firewalls and DMZ, security appliances, wide area networks, router and switch troubleshoot. You will get all the information about the CCNA exam and ways to get prepared. You will be able to build a CCNA home lab. You will learn various LAN technologies. You will get to know IP, Telnet, and Ping. You will learn planning IP addressing. The course is for every one of you wanting to learn all about Cisco CCNA from a free podium. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.